guys, welcome to my vlog. My name is Leia and this is my introduction video on why I'm here and why I decided to create a YouTube channel. First of all, I am 40 years old, perimenopause tita. I guess ang pinaka-goal ko lang sa channel na to is just to showcase how your titas with perimenopause are dealing life. Life. Uh, ano lang, like day-to-day, weekly vlog. Also, I've been living in California for almost 2 decades. Born and raised in Angeles City, Pampanga. Half Kapampangan, half Bisaya, pero mainly Tagalog talaga yung dialect ko. Pero nakakaintindi naman ako on both dialects. Hindi lang ako ganun expert sa pananalita. I wanted to do this intro so you guys have an idea kung ano ba yung mga ipopost ko in the future. Like I mentioned, it's just gonna be like my online diary, yung mga daily or weekly vlog kung kakayanin, di ba? Some of my friends and my family know that I've been doing YouTube for quite a while. Pero lagi akong yung behind the camera. Hindi ako masyado makikita in front of every videos or naririnig na nagsasalita. Kasi lagi ko lang siya showcase yung mga pinupuntahan namin gala, yung mga campsites na pinupuntahan namin, and namimili lang ako ng mga background music. So, this channel will be focusing just me. Just me. Me. Parang ano lang talaga. Yung parang gusto ko lang, na-inspire lang akong gawin yung mga like daily vlog. Para mapakita na rin sa inyo kung ano mga pinagkakaabalahan ng tita nyong perimenopause. So, ayun lang. I'm not gonna be an expert, just an FYI. So, kung may mga pointers kayo dyan, guys, just comment down below. Turuan nyo ako kung paano bang mag-vlog. I will try my best to post weekly and siguro raw videos, yung hindi masyadong mga edited para talagang makikita ninyo yung mga day-to-day ganap ko in life. Please be nice to me and be gentle. Huwag niyo ako masyadong pagtarayan sa comment. Anyway, welcome to my channel, guys. Again, my name is Leia Marie. You can call me Tita and Tita Mong Peri, and I hope to see you guys around. Thank you and bye! Mwah.